Hey guys, let's take this natural look into this glam look. Now our foundation is already done, so we're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and add a transitional color into our crease that is about 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Now let's go into the color. We're going to take this beautiful teal and we're going to add it to our crease and blend with windshield wiper motion. We're going to take a clean fluffy brush and we're going to blend that out even more. Now we're going to go into this beautiful purple, and this doesn't have to be perfect, but we're going to place the pigment in the outer and inner corners of the eye, and then we're going to blend one more time. Now we're going to go ahead and take that pigment in our pinky and add it to the very center of our lid where we left that clear space, and we're going to go back in with the brush and we're going to go ahead and blend those lines seamlessly. Now we're going to go ahead and cover that lash band with more liner. And now we're going to go ahead and add this beautiful L'Oreal liner, and we're going to seal it in with that blue pigment from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And now we're going to go ahead and smudge out the lower lash line with this beautiful purple. Smudge, and then we're going to take an even thicker and fluffier brush under the lash line to smoke it out even more. Add some mascara to your lower lash line, and this is optional, but you can always go back into your bronzer and retouch that, as well as add more highlight, because you can never go wrong with more highlight. And you can also go ahead and retouch your lipstick and you're ready to go. But before that, let's seal it all in with some Fix Plus. And now you're ready. Enjoy, guys.